Hey friends, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ashley and I do homemaking style videos such as organization, cleaning motivation, and decorating videos. And I actually recently did a DIY project that involved shiplap. So if that's something you're interested in, I'll link that video down below in the description box for you to check out later. But today I'm going to be doing a tablescape, a summer tablescape. Now, I wasn't gonna do a summer tablescape this year, but I kind of decided last minute, you know what? I'm in the mood to be creative. And if you know me, you know I just enjoy doing tablescapes. It's kind of what I do for fun. It's going to be a lemon theme, a lot of greenery, and I'm gonna have the buffalo checkered as my table runner, which you're gonna see all of that here very soon. And so I am excited to kind of show you what to do or how to do a fun little summer tablescape. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start out by laying down my black and white buffalo checkered table runner. I love this pattern and I feel like it goes with just about any season of the year. Next, I'm gonna be adding this basket as my centerpiece. I know I usually do a cake stand for my centerpiece, but I kind of wanted to try something a little different. And as you probably saw in the thumbnail, this is going to be a lemon and greenery themed tablescape. And technically, I guess, as you saw, I'm still using a cake stand as part of my centerpiece. I just can't get away from it, guys. So what I thought I would do is just kind of add in some greenery around the mini cake stand and then throw in a few more lemons to make it brighter and to kind of break up the greenery. All of this greenery was purchased from either Hobby Lobby, Walmart, or Target, and I'm mixing eucalyptus, boxwood, and magnolia for my greenery. For those of you who like more of a simpler look, I would just suggest setting a smaller flower arrangement like the one I have in here, and maybe just sprinkle some of the lemons around that and call it a day. But if you're really trying to make a statement piece, the greenery is perfect.
Here, I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, call it a start.
Okay, since my centerpiece is busier and I still want to add some pieces down the table runner, I'm going to do something very simple. I'm just gonna take these mini terracotta pots that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm adding in these lemons that I got from Kirkland's, and I'm gonna line 2 of them up on each side of the centerpiece and call it a day. But don't click off yet because I'm still going to set the table with some gorgeous chargers, and I'm also going to show you what I did with the decorative cabinet to the side of the table. So these water hyacinth placemats are actually from Kirkland's, but you can get these on Amazon for really cheap as well. And I'm just going to be putting the exact same placemats all around the table. On the ends of the table though, I'm going to be using different chargers than the center seats.
Like wolves in the night, 'cause nothing is stronger than wanting what you might get. I said, hey, call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking.
Y'all, how cute are these napkin rings? I can't remember where I got them. It was either Kirkland's or Hobby Lobby, but they are so cute, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your napkins look fancy. So these are the chargers I spray painted on my Dollar Tree DIY spring tablescape, which I'll link that below in the description box if you want to see those DIYs.
'Cause as long as we're together,
I also wanted to mention the white plates are from Dollar Tree as well, and all of the buffalo checkered items you see on the table, including the plates, are from Kirkland's. Pretty much everything on this table was Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, or Kirkland's.
What's breaking our hearts? I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. Hey, yeah, 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 call it a start. By leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a...
Alright y'all, so I wanted to see what it would look like if I layered the terracotta pots with the lemons in them on these tiny little mini cake stands that I found at Hobby Lobby, but once again there is so much going on with the centerpiece that I ended up taking these mini cake stands down and leaving it how I had it.
We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud.
Alright y'all, I wanted to show you this really quick. So what I did is I went ahead and put a small wreath on top of here and just put a few lemons in it. These are actually the lemons from the napkin rings. These are the napkin rings, but I thought, you know what, they're not too small where it's not realistic. So I went ahead and put those in as well. And I thought it actually looked really cute. Very simple, but I felt like there was so much going on with the kitchen table. There was so much going on with the tablescape that I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna do just a little simple something to kind of tie it in over here to the side. All right, y'all, so that is all for today. If you enjoy these types of videos, please feel free to subscribe and join my YouTube community and hit that notification bell as I'll be decorating for fall here very soon. So if you don't want to miss that or any future videos, make sure you hit that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.